What's up fam, my name is Cameron and welcome back to my channel. So Snapchat just recently updated their app and everyone who has Snapchat thinks this is terrible. I understand why Snapchat updated it from a business standpoint, but from a user standpoint I can personally say that this sucks. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to get rid of the new Snapchat and bring back the old Snapchat that was working just fine. Alright, so first off, just take your Snapchat and delete it. Alright, now go to the App Store and search for Snapchat and reinstall it. While it's downloading, go to your settings, go to iTunes and App Store, and turn off automatic downloads for apps, so it will not re-update.
2 hours later.
After it's done installed, open it up. It will prompt you for your username and password. Hit login, type in your username, and then hit forget your password. Now it says how do you want to reset your password. You can either choose phone or email. For the sake I'm doing phone. Now it's going to ask to prove that you aren't a robot. Now it's going to ask for your number, and then it's going to send you a text. Go ahead and copy it or remember the code and type it in. Now it will prompt you to enter a new password. After you're done picking the password, hit continue. And voila, Snapchat is back. And to end this episode, go add me on Snapchat, hit that subscribe button, comment down below if this helped, and go ahead and give me a like. Peace.